Hello and welcome to week 2 of Vocal's video blog. Today Brandon Pasley and I will be discussing how businesses should really be considering their first steps into the mobile space. Our goal today is really to help clients relax as they think about their strategies of mobile and really understand what's a productive strategy, what's a productive thought process behind building a mobile product.
And before we jump in, we have to make two notes. First is we now decided to call this Mobile Moments, which is exciting. And two, the iPhone 4, what is it called?
iPhone 4S?
iPhone 4S has been released today. Yeah, that's been released today. So
that is a mobile moment.
Well, yeah, one of our developers has one already. He checked in on Foursquare at 5:30 a.m. At the Apple Store, and I think Reed and I are going to getting ours this afternoon at some point. So yeah, we're still sort of dedicated.
We're not the ones waiting in line. So getting into our topic today, as I mentioned, our goal is really to just help folks and help our clients, potential clients, and just the general audience in the business community really start understanding mobile and really where they should take their first steps of consideration. So with that topic being out there, what we typically find with folks that we communicate with and meet and greet in the business community is that they're really looking to rush too quickly into the mobile space, and they're looking to rush into it too quickly, bringing too much with them. So they want to pack everything in the kitchen sink into their mobile strategy, into their product, and so we kind of want to relax that environment, relax that conversation, and peel a couple things back.
Yeah, a big piece that, like Reed said, companies going into it really do sort of want to do everything in the beginning, and a big piece really is for them to start really making the blueprints and start putting together strategy of what they want, what they picture this being. But the biggest thing is not necessarily that you have everything goes in it at once, but that you can at least put everything out on the table to kind of understand what's all there. But then you really want to be able to kind of focus it in and understand what your users are really going to want. And here at Vocal, we really focus on user-centered design, what user wants, who users are, and it really helps to be able to understand who your customer is, obviously, and be able to understand what they're going to want, and not only that, but what they're going to want sort of in this what we call sort of that 30-second experience, which most users are using their phones in the taxi, on the train. So what is it most valuable? What are the most valuable features going to be that you offer at this point as your company that your users would be able to need sort of on the run, in their cab, and then obviously tablets are a little different because you get to kind of sit back and start using the tablets.
Yep, absolutely. So just to kind of recap everything Brandon just said, the key things to focus on are just having the right conversations with the right people around existing services, technologies, digital experiences that the business has today, who the audience is that they're really looking to target and focus on with absolute laser focus, and then the environment in which they anticipate the product being used. The conversations that exist around these three aspects of being current digital experience, current service, current customer base, and target audience and environment is really understanding how these pieces are all going to fit together for your first step into the mobile space. So it's saying our audience is X, and we picture them using this in an environment out of their homes, on the go, and what technologies, what services do we have today that we can offer to the users that make sense, and at the end of the day are going to provide that value. So oftentimes when we work with clients or when we just have conversations or go and speak with audiences, it's really an educational conversation. It's asking the right questions. It's exploring the right avenues with those clients. They have all the answers within. We just help facilitate them to develop that thought process around the environment, the technologies, and their audience.
So at that point, a big piece really is for the companies just to keep that focus and really have that strategy, long-term strategy, but really it always comes down to the user and being able to focus on the user and what your client wants and being able to understand what your client wants when they want it, which as silly as that sounds, it really is that, within the environment that they're in. So at this point, I think we covered the short amount that mobile moment that we were hoping to cover. So next week, if you have any topics you'd like to hear about,
tweet them out there.
Definitely tweet them out. It's Vocal Mobile. and we'll put it on the website. Obviously, visit the website and follow up there as well if you want us to focus in on any special topic.
Yeah, so that's pretty much a wrap. To all those businesses out there looking to go into mobile, I'd say just take your time, relax, and make sure that you're thinking of mobile as a long-term strategy and a product that has longevity to it. And thanks today for sharing this special mobile moment with us.
Special mobile moment.
Special mobile moment. And as always, we're pleased to have folks following our company, following our success. What we do is mobile, and we're very passionate about it. We love it, and anything we can share with the audience that we have a reach to is fantastic for us. So thank you.